Hello, champions. Welcome back to Baba Kane Academy YouTube channel. This is a channel for practical ways for you to make money and build financial freedom. I post AI topics, make money topics, and finance topics. All right, you can grow smarter every single day with my channel. If this is your first time here with Baba Kane Academy, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know we don't do hype here. Do legit strategies that actually work. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 7 legit websites that pay you daily. This simple website are website that you can do online tasks, all right, online tasks, make money. No special skills is needed, no expensive courses. So this is just strictly simple website whereby you can register, get started, get on board, all right, start practicalizing these skills and putting them to work. All right, it's just no big deal. They don't need any absolute no educational background from you, no expensive courses, no screenshots. You don't have to do anything. You just have to place your hands on all these simple tasks that are on this website, and I'm going to be showing you 7 of them, just real platforms that are paying people right now. Make sure you watch to the end because website number 5 surprises most people. I'm sure you want to see it. All right, so let's get on board. Let's be honest, most people think make money requires coding, crypto trading, or running ads. That's absolutely what most people think. There are websites that pay you for just testing apps, okay, reviewing products, completing surveys, micro tasks, watching contents. It won't make you an overnight millionaire, but it can generate you consistent side income. And consistency is power, right? And the very first one we are going to be talking about right now is called Respondent. This is the Respondent website, and what Respondent actually does is that you can do quality research on this platform, and they don't need your degree or whatever. Respondent connects companies with people to research studies. So you can come here, do quality research here about anything, all right? And you can earn between $50 to $200 per study, depending on your profile, all right? So whatever profile you fill in, just come in, do quality research for them, and they pay you for it. So you just fill out surveys, qualify, and if selected, you get paid via PayPal. So you can come on board on the Respondent website and get started, start applying to submit your quality research and all that. Remember, consistency is always the key. I'm going to be talking to you about the very next website. The very next website is called User Testing. I'll be taking you on board to User Testing. It pays you to test website. Actually, the name implies already suggests what it does. So it pays you to test websites and application apps, that is on your phone, Android apps or iOS apps. All right, you record your screen and talk about an experience. So you can have maybe, for instance, a particular app that does something in particular. So all you have to do now is to take a screen record of what that app actually does. You understand? You want to know what that app is doing and you are talking about it. Okay, come on board. Let me quickly show you my screen. So this is the User Testing website. So you can get on board and sign in and register your account. One thing you need to understand is that creating all these apps has to do with your interaction, how you interact, how you speak about it, how you talk about it, how whatever issues you are finding concerning that apps. So you can see these are companies that are using them. All right, so for instance, now Canva wants to launch a particular app. All right, they first of all onboard a set of people who are on this user testing platform so that you can test it. All right, now your feedback is what these companies need. Your feedback is what matters, and that's why they are paying for it. All right, so these are reviews, and it's a legit website, and I apply you to get on board, get started, register with them, and start doing a whole lot with them. Most tests pay around $10 for 10 to 20 minutes. So which means between 10 minutes to 20 minutes, they pay you around $10 for just simple tasks that you have done. So what they want to get is your simple feedback. Real money, right, comes on board with it. If you are getting value already about what I'm talking about, please hit the like button below this video. It helps this video to reach more people. Now let's go to the next one. The next one is called ClickWalker. ClickWalker. I'm going to be explaining a little bit about ClickWalker. ClickWalker offers small online tasks like data entry, writing. All right, so categorizing images and web research. It's a beginner friendly and pays weekly. You can work anytime, no boss, no pressure. So let's go to the ClickWalker platform. Here is it. So you can get on board. It's just a matter of data, no pressure, data services which you can supply. So you can come on board here and register and get on board with them. It is legit money making platforms that I implore you to get started and get on board with. No pressure is required. The next one is called Remote Task, which is our number 4. Remote Task. I usually call this website Remote Task. I don't know, but it is actually Remote Task. That is REMOTASKS. Remote Task. So I'm going to be showing you what Remote Task is all about. Remote Task pays you to label images and videos for AI system. You see, artificial intelligence has come a way whereby it needs human efforts for them to understand that, okay, this particular image is AI, this one is not AI. This particular video is AI. No, this one is not AI. You get what I'm saying? So that's what entails it's all about. So this one requires a bit of training, but once you understand it, you can earn consistently. So come on board my screen. Let me quickly show you Remote Task platform. So this is the platform, and here this is the website, Remote Task Projects. And though they do not accept some countries, but you can always find out if your country is eligible, right? So listen to categories, short audio clips, so you can learn easily. Create your account, start tasks in minutes, complete tasks, and $5 bonus if you complete more than 300 tasks in 24 hours. That's crazy. Get paid easily. You get paid via PayPal. I'm going to be talking about this PayPal in my subsequent videos. I will set up your PayPal account. So just make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out my next videos. So, all right, it's a job. Can you say it's an easy job for humans? With human skills, you will help the world's leading company build safer and more reliable artificial intelligence model. This is just what I was talking about. There are online courses and trainers will teach you everything you need to know, answer any question you have. So it's let's quickly, okay, this is the frequently asked question. So what type of task will I be doing? You will listen to short audio clips and determine if they contain correctly pronounced accents. All right, as simple as answering yes or no. So when you see an audio clip, for instance, they play it for you, you want to, no, this thing sounds AI. No, this one does not sound AI. You get what I'm saying? That's just how it is. So how long does each task take? Each task we have one audio clip and we take 20 seconds to complete. So this is very much easy. Something you can do and something you can just find your time to get on board within 10, 30, 1 hour. Just take at least 1 hour of your time to spend on this platform to start making legit money. How and when do I get paid? Payouts are made via PayPal. Remote Task is a trusted platform connecting over 240,000 freelancers to data labeling, evaluation related work opportunities. Okay, so that's just what it's all about. And right, you can get aboard, go to the website, sign up, and start earning today. So let's quickly go to the next one. The next one, which is in number 5, is called We Localize. We Localize. Okay. Number 5 is interesting, which I already told you from the beginning of this video. I told you We Localize. They pay people to rate search engine results and online content. So, for instance, you go on Google, you'll find out that, okay, you are searching for a particular stuff. For instance, you're searching for where to buy coconuts or whatever, or where to buy bags, or where to buy shoes. And the kind of results you get is something that you want to refer anyone to. Is something you value and you like. This is something that is good. So all you have to do is to rate it and say, okay, this is very good, or this is not very good, this is poorly good, and all that. So you are basically helping AI systems with this. So their pay varies by country. So you might find out that the pay they pay for other countries is different from other countries, but many people earn decent side income from it. So you can always check it out. Let's come on board. Let me quickly show you on my screen. Let me show you on my screen. So here is it. This is Relocalize platform, and so this is, you get on board, you can get in touch with them, find out how you can get started right on Relocalize platform. So this is just how it is. It's very much easier. Just give them a contact if your country is in particular what they want, you would be onboarded to their platform. The next one is called Fiverr. Now, Fiverr has been for a very long time, and this one is very different. We're going to be telling you about Fiverr. Fiverr allows you to offer simple services like social media posting, typing. You can do a whole lot on Fiverr. You can do anything on Fiverr. All right. Typing, logo resizing, okay, designs, graphics, simple Canva designs. And these designs, you can go on Canva, sign up an account, use Canva AI platforms or Canva templates to create logos and sell them on Fiverr. I've literally done a whole lot on Fiverr, okay? So I've made money on Fiverr. You can do this. You don't need to be an expert as well, so you can start small, improve over time. So why you get on board Fiverr, you'll find out that, okay, you are doing something very good. All you have to do is to improve on your skills over time. So if you've made this far, comment consistency below. So let me quickly show you what Fiverr is all about on my screen. So one thing you need to understand, this is the Fiverr platform, all right? So you can always come here to join, register, and sign up. And when you're registering, you are actually becoming a seller. Fiverr calls all their workers, they call their workers, people creating designs, you're a graphic, you're a programmer, you are whatever you are on Fiverr. Fiverr actually calls them seller. So that is what it is. So don't feel like, okay, am I coming to Fiverr to sell a product? No, Fiverr actually calls whatever you are doing, whether you are creating logo, you're creating designs, you're creating whatever content you are doing on Fiverr, Fiverr actually calls you a seller. So that is what the platform is all about. So if you come here now, our freelancers will take it from here. So you can do web development. You can, if you are very good at web development, you can offer web development services, architecture, interior design, UGC videos, video editing, book publishing. So now this, can you see, trusted by Meta, Google, Netflix, P&G, PayPal, and Payoneer. What does it mean? It means that these companies actually hire sellers. Remember, I told you workers. Let me use the word workers. Okay, from Fiverr, which means they get services. They pay for services on this platform. So that is what it means. So these are popular services. Okay, you can start with, if vibe coding is too difficult for you or web development, you can start with simple graphics, logo. People pay as much as $500 per logo on Fiverr. I can tell you. You can register on this website and search for logo services to prove me. I'm telling you, for free, you are going to see thousands and millions of people paying for logo designs. And these are simple things you can go on Canva to do. I'm going to be explaining to you in my subsequent videos how to create those logos, because I do them a whole lot. All right, so high quality work or your money back. Okay, what success on Fiverr look like? Yes, so here, just trying to explain what success on Fiverr looks like on their website, so you can make it happen. These are incredible logos and designs. These are brand designs you can do for companies, all that. So now Fiverr is now curating designs that have been done on their platforms. You see them now, they can easily host them because these are designs that have been done by their sellers. I told you sellers are also called workers. So you can get on board Fiverr and get started. Fiverr is something that I encourage, and you need to get on board. And if your services is not here, you can easily check. These are trending services. These services, book design, book editing. People don't have time to create book design, so you can offer these services. And can you see trending hot services you can find, and most of them are even easy services. These are AI videos. You can generate AI videos and sell on Fiverr. Okay, so all these are more what you can do, all right, by making money on Fiverr. If you've come this far, or should I say if you made this far by watching this video, comment consistency below. I want to know who is serious about building income online. And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is your sign. Hit that subscribe button and join Baba Kane Academy family. The seventh one is called Time Box. Time Box. Okay. Now, this is a platform I told you, which is the last one. This is a platform that pays for watching videos. Can you believe that? So most of these videos content you consume online, you can actually get paid by watching videos. And also, not forgetting completing surveys. So you can complete surveys on Timebox. Okay, simple engagement tasks. Can also do simple engagement tasks. It's not huge money though, but it's easy to start. Okay, now let's come on board. Let me quickly show you Timebox. So why join Timebox? We've been paying out for 10 years. Check out payment proof here. So these are their payment proofs. Their payment proofs are actually hosted on Facebook, so you can check them out. We have thousands of 5-star pilot reviews, and there is a $2,000 weekly prize. Get paid to play games, complete microtasks. So competitors start earning instantly, referral program, daily payouts, friendly support staff. Now listen carefully. None of these platforms will replace a full-time income overnight. So if you want to turn any of these platforms to something you can say, okay, I just want to leave my job and focus on these platforms. No, I advise you. These are platforms that you can take as side incomes, side a hustle, right? And okay, not overnight. So, but if you combine 2 or 3 of them consistently, you're doing 3 of them consistently, you can build something meaningful. That's absolutely guaranteed. The key is discipline, right? And patience, right? And consistency. And also reinvesting your earnings into higher income skills. So when you observe that, okay, you're making money from a particular platform, all you can do is to channel your earnings to other higher income skills to improve yourself, to level up. Okay, so you can't just remain on that particular level, you go higher and higher. Like that's how you build yourself. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Baba Kane YouTube Academy, turn on the notification bell, because every week I post videos, practical ways to make money online. No fluff, no scams, just real strategies. Financial growth is not a dream, it's a decision. And here at Baba Kane, we grow together. I'll see you on the next one.